In a narration found in Imam Munzari's Awareness and Apprehension, number 603, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that everyone will stand under the shade of their charity on Judgment Day. It is important to bear in mind this is an extremely vital blessing to obtain, as the sun will be brought within 2 miles of the creation on Judgment Day. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2421. People struggle to handle the heat of a summer's day. How will they possibly handle the heat of Judgment Day without shade? A Muslim should therefore strive to give regular charity irrespective of its quantity, as Allah, the Exalted, does not observe quantity. He judges actions based on quality, meaning one's sincerity. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1. In addition, a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6465, advises that the most beloved deeds to Allah, the Exalted, are the regular ones, even if they are small. In fact, Allah, the Exalted, has made it clear that He will reward actions even if they are the size of an atom. Chapter 99 Az-Zalala, verse 7.
So whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it.
Therefore, this leaves Muslims with no excuse in failing to regularly donate charity for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted, hoping to gain a strong shade which protects them from the severe heat of a great day. Finally, one must remember that charity includes all good deeds that help others, not just wealth. So the one who does not possess wealth should give charity in other ways, such as giving others their time, energy, and emotional support. The least one can do is keep their verbal and physical harm away from others, as this is considered as giving charity to oneself. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 250.